Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Fanatics discount or promo codes. So how can you get it? Now first of all, go to the Google, or you can say the search in the URL, open up your browser and just search here this website, exact same, simplycodes.com. Press enter and you will be redirected to this website, which is called simplycodes.com. Once you're at the homepage of simplycodes.com, you will see a search button like this one on the upper right corner. Just click here, and in this section just write down the name of the website. For us right now, this is Fanatics. Just write down Fanatics, and once you write down Fanatics, you will see multiple websites. So choose the one that you are looking for. Let's say I want to go with this one, Fanatics. Just click on this one, and once you open this one, as you can see, like Fanatics promo codes and coupons for September 2025, which is the current month. Now make sure that these codes, as you can see, like are updated daily. So try your code, just scroll down. Some of them are verified, which means they are working currently. Some of them might be unverified. So you can just click on show more and you will see a list of all the codes which are available. So let's say I want to go with this one. Just click on view code. And once you click on view code, you will see code like this. Just copy the code, head back to Fanatics website and use your promo code where it is applicable and get the discount.